Deep breaths. Push. We're almost there. Congratulations, they're perfect.
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you so much. She is so like her father. I hate this color.
Come on, Slowpoop. Oh no!
I told you to be good, so why are you still so naughty? Go stand in the corner and reflect on your mistakes. Sweetheart, look at this beautiful dress I got for you.
Wow, it's so pretty. Thank you, Mom.
And so, the little bear found his way home, safe and sound under the starry sky.